buddy. We're almost like incubating eggs. There's 4 dying and 4 trying to hatch. Come on. And we have 47 chicks. How do you like it, huh? And we're gonna show you my brother Mateo, our fruits for our greenhouse.
So, these are a bunch of vegetables. There's a total, I think, 1 fruit in here, and it's watermelon. So, right here, this row is watermelon. Is this whole row aquí? And then right here is cucumber. Is this row all the way into here? And then right here is gray zucchini until these 2 rows. This one is dark zucchini. Next is tomatoes, and then this is also tomatoes. Right here, and this one,
Celeries and
this is celery.
I think
No wait, this is
onion.
Onions. This is onions. Over here we have celery. And in here is we have cantaloupe, and then strawberries in here all the way to here, and then celery is this whole row. What do you think? I think we did a good job. So we're gonna have a lot of work this summer with planting a bunch of vegetables and fruit outside, and with a bunch of chicks.
Thanks for watching. Eso, dilo.